Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the PlayStation Backbone. I've been wanting to get my hands on this device for quite a while and I finally did. And if you are interested in this device, I will leave a link to the product in my description. Now, here on the front, nothing too special. You got the PlayStation Backbone made for iPhone. You cannot use this with the Android devices, unfortunately. And then you got a picture of the backbone itself with an iPhone in the middle. On both sides, you got the backbone labeling there. Nothing too crazy. At the top, works with iPhone models running the latest software. On the bottom, just got some information there. Nothing too interesting. And then on the back, you get some more detail, allow you to play games that support controllers or connect to services like PS Remote Play, Xbox, Game Pass, Apple Arcade, and much more. So without further ado, let's unbox this bad boy. So we're just gonna slide the box out over here. Gotta say, it is some pretty nice packaging. And there it is, the backbone. And for a device that costs right around $100, I gotta say it is fairly nice. The packaging itself, nice, sleek black packaging. And then you got the backbone again, labeling across this box. So here we're gonna lift it up over here. And there it is, the backbone, all right. Here up top, I believe this is the adapter. So if you have a 13 or 14 iPhone model, you are going to need to use this adapter in order for it to fit nicely with the backbone. Otherwise, the camera will get in the way. So I will pop that open here in just a second. There it is. Gonna open this up. And I believe I can just slide it out. Give me a second. There it is. So that's that adapter. And then here we have what we want to look at, the backbone itself. So I'm gonna actually just pull this out first. I believe we do have some manuals at the bottom. There it is, play safe. I'll leave the box here on the side. And there it is, a safety guide. Nothing too special over here. We'll just leave that in there. And then here it is, the backbone. Just gonna open this up here, snap in, game on, and then you got some instructions on the back. So we'll leave that off to the side. And here is the main event, the Sony PlayStation Backbone. I gotta say, first impressions, extremely lightweight, fits nice in the hands, doesn't feel too bulky or too heavy. It does feel a little cheap, on the cheaper end. Kind of feels like a Switch, which I have over here. Kind of the same type of feel, same button placements. Doesn't feel as premium as something like the DualSense controller, which is to be expected. Of course, this is a premium price for just a controller, whereas this allows you to connect it to your iPhone. But for the price, you really can't complain. It gives you everything you need in order to play some gameplay on your mobile device, and then this extends to fit depending on the size of your iPhone. And again, first impressions, feels really good in the hand, very lightweight. The buttons feel solid, but a little bit cheap. I will be doing a ton of reviews on this device, going to be testing it over the next few days and posting what I think about this device and whether or not I believe you guys should take a look and purchase it yourself. If you are interested in getting it, again, the link is in my description. And that really is all there is to it for this unboxing. If you guys do want to see the review of this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.